Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop, and welcome to chaos. Well, it's not too much chaos. So, moving on with the DB5 rebuild, you obviously saw on the last video, I basically stripped the entire car apart into all its tiny little pieces. This is its current situation, still in bits. However, it now does have shiny new paint. So, it's not quite finished and not quite ready for reassembly yet. I've basically sanded the whole thing back, filled in any divots of the metal bodywork, any of the die casting that wasn't that brilliant. I've then applied about 3 coats of primer, sanded that back smooth, and then I've added 3 coats of base colour, which is the silver birch colour. Big thanks to Advanced Paints for that one. So I managed to get some silver birch, and I have to say it looks absolutely stunning. I've also now done 2 coats of clear lacquer over the top of it. I am going to do probably another coat, if not 2 coats of clear lacquer, and then I can sand that back and get it absolutely mirror smooth. So that's where I am at the minute. Now, obviously, you can see that not everything here is all of the car on the workbench. So I've got the front wings, rear wings, main frame, and the top body. The other bits currently, which are all the doors, the boot, bonnet, and the 2 doors, they're all still having another coat of lacquer. They're just drying now. But I wanted to give you a quick update and show you where I am. And look at that stunning paintwork. And the biggest thing with this, it's all the same colour. So no more slight different shades of colour, the bonnet different colour to the wings, etc. It's all the same colour, and by the time it's finished, I think this will look absolutely stunning. Now, I do have a few more things to be doing, mainly with the interior. So having watched the film a couple more times now, the little shield that goes over the top of the map, that should actually be a goldy lattice work color. So I'm going to repaint that. It currently is silver where I painted it previously. Maybe add a little bit more detail to the radiator and the center console. But the biggest thing is that the interior, which is currently all black plastic, it should actually have a grey interior. So that's probably going to be my next stop for doing the interior upgrade. I'm going to be painting it all grey. Certainly the seats and the center console and all the bits that would be leather work. So all of that's going to go grey. And as I move through this rebuild, I do keep finding little tiny bits that I think, oh, that would be better if. So this is a bit of a rabbit hole. I'm well dived into it. There's no turning back now. So if you want to see more updates about the DB5 or anything else that goes on the workshop, please do remember to hit the subscribe button and ding that bell, and then you'll be notified when I release new videos. And if you enjoyed this absolute chaos, do remember to hit that thumbs up button as well, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.